Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Now, today again we are going to continue with the topic Methods of Separation. Now, the next technique of separation is sublimation, which we have done in chapter 1 also. Now, sublimation is a method, it is a technique which is used to separate a mixture of sublimable components. Sublimable means which changes into vapors. Without going into liquid state, it directly changes into gaseous state. Sublimable component from a non-sublimable component by heating the mixture. Okay. Now, in this activity, in this method of separation, what we will do, we will take a mixture of ammonium chloride and common salt. Now, this is the china dish. Let me show you complete figure. This is the complete figure. Now, what you will do, you will take a china dish. This is the china dish जो कटोरी की तरह हमें दिख रहा है figure. This is the china dish. In this china dish, what you will do, you will take a mixture of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is yellow in color and common salt, right? And what you will do, you will take a funnel. This is the funnel, okay? And you will invert it, उसे उल्टा कर लेंगे and यहाँ पे end में इसमें cotton का एक plug लगा देंगे, right? And what you will do then, नीचे से आप बर्नर को जलाएंगे, you will light the burner and keep the china dish with the help of wire gauge above the burner. Now start heating the mixture of ammonium chloride and NaCl. Now what will happen after some time? So after some time you will see that the solid the pure ammonium chloride, it sublimes and get cool and condense and get solidified and get collected on the inner side of the funnel. It start depositing on the inner side of the funnel, and the salt, it get left behind in the china dish, right? So in this way, the process of sublimation, it separate the sublimable volatile component from the non-volatile component of the mixture. Means what happened? Sublimable means जो vapors में change होके कूल होके कंडेंस होके अमोनियम क्लोराइड क्या है वेपर्स में चेंज हो जाता है, वो इट गेट कूल एंड कंडेंस एंड गेट डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द इनर साइड ऑफ द फनल. कूल पहले तो यहाँ से हॉट होके वो ऊपर गया वेपर्स में, यहाँ पे चढ़ा ऊपर और फिर वो ठंडा हुआ और यहाँ डिपॉजिट होना शुरू गया अंदर की तरफ ऑन द इनर साइड ऑफ द फनल. और जो वेपर में चेंज नहीं होता नमक जो है वो इसमें नीचे रह गया. ठीक है ना. So in this way, what happened? A process of sublimation helped in the separation of sublimable volatile component from the non-volatile component of the mixture, right? So this is the activity which is being used for the separation of mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride, right? So again, this activity we are doing twice. You have done it earlier also. Now, next technique which you are going to study is chromatography. Now, first of all, what is chromatography? Now, chroma. Chroma is a Greek word which means color. Chroma is a Greek word which means color and graphy means writing. ग्राफी का मतलब होता है लिखना और क्रोमा का मतलब कलर. ठीक है. तो क्रोमेटोग्राफी जो है इट इज़ द मोस्ट मॉडर्न मोस्ट वर्सटाइल मेथड यूज्ड फॉर सेपरेशन प्यूरिफिकेशन टेस्टिंग एंड प्योरिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. ये जो मेथड है इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय ट्विस्ट, a Russian botanist, in year 1906. This technique was first used for separation of colored substances. Colored substances को separate करने के लिए use की गई थी. Basically the plant pigments, and hence the name is chromatography was given, right? Now this method is widely used for separation, purification and identification and characterization of both colorless and colored components of the mixture. Now this method, let us study now from the slide. This method is used for separating the colored components from a liquid by using a filter paper. So basically in your syllabus is the paper chromatography. There is a blotting paper or special chromatographic paper is available in the market, which we bring in lab also, and we can show in the lab also how the different colors are separated with the help of chromatography. Now how it is being performed, that is the main basic thing. Now in this technique, what we do, we take a chromatographic paper and we cut it in a rectangular shape.